Today I'm going to share with you a really great design known as the vegetative design. When you find something really cool like a piece of driftwood, it's fun to incorporate in this specific style. I have two plastic design dishes that I've put in the front corner and the back corner with floral foam pre-soaked with floral preservative. After that, I've covered and concealed the plastic containers with moss. Next, I'm adding in this incredible belladonna that comes from Rio Roses, and this beautiful white alstroemeria from Rio Roses. I'm using the most open blossoms at the top and the budded flowers down below to signify the way they grow in the garden. After that, I've added in some of the Stargazer Lily buds. I'm just using the little pointed buds, and it looks like a different kind of a plant when you use them this way. I've also added in this Japanese privot, which is really a lovely kind of foliage, but the little clusters of flower heads are really beautiful as well. As a finishing touch to this design, I'm using some of the tall flax to kind of formulate the look of beech grass. It adds a movement, a rhythm, and it also adds a nice texture to the design. Next, I'm adding in a few of the spray chrysanthemums to kind of anchor and pull your eye down to the base of the design. A really good way to learn this specific style of design is to just go out in nature, study the way that plants grow, look at the way that flowers bloom. This will give you great inspiration for the vegetative style. Thanks for watching today. For more creative ideas, be sure to tune in soon, and we'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.